Hi everyone, welcome back to the Twin Falls County podcast, where you can learn about all things that are going on in Twin Falls County. My name is Gracie Achetto, and I am the director of the Twin Falls County Parks and Recreation Department. So I just want to make a quick announcement, but first I want to start with this. So imagine this, the lights are bright, the crowds are cheering, the air smells like popcorn, and your adrenaline is pumping as you step out onto the field, court, or diamond and you're ready to play. For many people, this vision was once a reality, but they'll never get to experience it again unless they decide to join our sports program. The Twin Falls County Parks and Recreation Department are putting on the second annual adults-only sports team program. This is a program that's specifically for people 18 and older who did play sports in high school or want to play sports now. All experience levels are welcome, and we just really want to have a good time with it. There was an excellent turnout last year. We're hoping for an even greater one this year. We surveyed our participants last year, and 78% said they were satisfied and would be returning. So we have a few goals for this program. The first is to encourage more adults to be healthy and active individuals. That's something that we really want to achieve in our county and help our citizens with. Playing sports can oftentimes take all the work out of working out. And it just becomes playing and having fun. But you're still burning calories, which is awesome. The second goal is to encourage friendships and more connections within the community. I've heard that when people move here, sometimes it's hard for them to make friends. So I think this is a great opportunity. And friendships are made here, there's more likely to be more community loyalty, which is awesome. The third goal is to strengthen family bonds, because while this is an adult-only program, all of the families are invited to cheer on their parents and or spouse at the games. Lastly, we're hoping to help participants relive a little bit of their glory days. It's hard graduating from high school, not having as many opportunities to play sports. But with our program, these dreams of getting back on the field will be realized. So just because you've grown up doesn't mean that you have to outgrow your hobbies. Just come play with us. Thank you.